Have you ever wondered what the future holds? A question as timeless as humanity itself. In this journey, we'll be venturing into the realm of possibilities, casting our gaze forward to the middle of the 21st century. We'll explore 9 pivotal events, each with the potential to significantly alter our world, that are predicted to unfold before 2050. From the rise of artificial intelligence to the fight against climate change, our world is on the cusp of extraordinary transformations. Stay with us as we count down the events that could shape our world. Kicking off our countdown at number 9, we delve into the rise of artificial intelligence. This fascinating field has seen unprecedented advancements in recent years. From self-driving cars to customer service bots, to high-stakes decision-making in healthcare and finance, AI is steadily becoming an integral part of our daily lives. The potential benefits of AI are enormous. AI could revolutionize industries, increase productivity, and even tackle tasks that are dangerous for humans. However, as with any powerful tool, there are potential risks. The ethical implications of AI are a hot topic of debate. There are concerns about job displacement, privacy, and even the possibility of AI surpassing human intelligence. While we continue to navigate this brave new world, one thing is certain: AI is here to stay. Its influence will only grow in the coming years. Could AI become our greatest ally or our greatest adversary? Only time will tell. Moving on to event number 8, the dominance of renewable energy. Picture a world where the hum of fossil fuel engines is a thing of the past, replaced by the quiet efficiency of renewable energy sources. The scenario isn't so far-fetched. As we speak, the world is witnessing a seismic shift in energy production. The giants of fossil fuels are gradually losing their grip, making way for the rise of solar, wind, and hydropower. This isn't just a trend, it's a global movement. Countries worldwide are setting ambitious goals to transition to 100% renewable energy. The implications of this energy revolution are far-reaching, particularly in the fight against global climate change. As we reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, we're not just changing how we power our homes and vehicles, we're transforming the future of our planet. The future of energy is green, and it's coming faster than you think. Next up at number 7, the establishment of the first Mars colony. A dream that has fascinated humankind for centuries is on the cusp of becoming reality. With space agencies globally and private entities like SpaceX leading the charge, the colonization of Mars is not a matter of if, but when. The challenges are immense, from ensuring a sustainable supply of food and water to dealing with the inhospitable Martian environment. Yet every problem presents an opportunity for innovation. Picture this: self-sustaining habitats, advanced hydroponics for food production, and breakthroughs in recycling technologies for water conservation. But why go to Mars? Beyond the sheer thrill of exploration, establishing a colony on Mars could serve as a backup for human civilization. It would also pave the way for further space exploration and transform our understanding of life in the universe. Mars, the next frontier for mankind, is within our grasp. At number 6, we explore the end of aging. Imagine a world where old age and the ailments that come with it are things of the past, just chapters in history books. Thanks to advancements in medicine and biotechnology, this could soon be our reality. Experts are already making strides in understanding how our bodies age, and they're using this knowledge to develop treatments that could slow, halt, or even reverse the aging process. Imagine a life where you're not just living longer, but healthier too. It's a future where 90 could be the new 50. But this isn't without its implications. Questions arise about population control, resource allocation, and even the basic structure of our societies. Would we still retire at 65 if we could live to be 200? Changes like these would undoubtedly reshape the world as we know it. Could immortality be just around the corner? Halfway through our countdown at number 5, we have the ocean cleanup. Our oceans, vast and deep, are teeming with life, but they are also choked with pollution. Plastic debris, oil spills, and toxic wastes are just a few of the threats they face. But hope is not lost. Around the world, scientists, conservationists, and everyday heroes are rallying to clean up our seas. Imagine fleets of drones skimming the ocean surface, collecting trash. Picture colossal underwater vacuums sucking up microplastics. Envision innovative biotechnologies that can break down pollutants into harmless compounds. These are not just pipe dreams. They are real solutions being developed and implemented as we speak. Our oceans are the lifeblood of our planet. They regulate our climate, provide food for billions, and generate the majority of the oxygen we breathe. The cleanup of our oceans is more than just a noble mission, it's a vital necessity. The health of our oceans is crucial for our survival. Moving on to number 4, welcome to the meatless revolution. As we gaze into the not-so-distant future, we find ourselves at the precipice of a culinary transformation. The rise of plant-based and lab-grown meats is not just a trend, it's a paradigm shift in how we view our food. These alternatives to traditional meats are not only tantalizing our taste buds but also promising a greener future. By reducing our reliance on livestock, we could significantly slash greenhouse gas emissions, conserve water, and reclaim vast tracts of land currently used for grazing and feed crops. But it's not just the environment that stands to benefit. Our health could also see a boost. These meat alternatives are designed to deliver the same protein and nutrients as their animal-based counterparts, without the saturated fats and cholesterol. This is a revolution that extends far beyond the dinner plate. The way we eat is changing, and it could save our planet. At number 3, we leap into quantum computing. This is not just a buzzword, it's a revolution in the making. Imagine a computer so powerful that it could process data at an unprecedented speed, solving complex problems in a fraction of the time it takes today's most advanced supercomputers. This is the promise of quantum computing. By harnessing the peculiar properties of quantum physics, these computers could fundamentally change how we process information. But it's not just about speed. Quantum computers could also handle a greater volume of data, bringing us closer to the dream of true artificial intelligence. The potential implications for society are massive. From healthcare to finance, from climate modeling to space exploration, every field could be transformed. We could see breakthroughs in drug discovery, optimized supply chains, even crack encryption codes that are currently unbreakable. Quantum computing could change everything we know about technology. Coming in at number 2, we have global internet access. As we move closer to the mid-century, an exciting prospect is the likelihood of achieving global internet access. This means that every corner of our planet, from bustling cities to remote villages, could potentially have access to the World Wide Web. Imagine the transformative potential. This could revolutionize education, with knowledge and learning resources available at the click of a button, anywhere, anytime. The future could see a child in a remote village having the same access to information as a student in a city, leveling the educational playing field worldwide. The global economy could also undergo a significant shift. New markets would emerge and remote work could become truly remote. The digital divide, a long-standing issue of our times, could finally be bridged. As we welcome this new era, we must remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Ensuring safe and responsible use is as crucial as the access itself. The internet could soon be a basic human right. And finally, at number 1, we have the fight against climate change. Somewhere between the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, the Earth's climate has been quietly changing. The world has become warmer, the seas have risen, and weather patterns have become more unpredictable. This is the reality of climate change. But we are not bystanders in this story. We are the heroes, the warriors, and the ones who can turn the tide. Our fight against climate change is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. We are harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and water to create clean, renewable energy. We are innovating new technologies and practices to reduce our carbon footprint and conserve our natural resources. We are planting trees, restoring ecosystems, and protecting endangered species. But the fight against climate change is not just about the actions of individuals, corporations, or even nations. It's about the collective will of the entire human race. It's about every country, every city, every community, and every individual doing their part and working together. The consequences of inaction are severe. Rising temperatures could make vast areas of the world uninhabitable. Rising sea levels could displace millions of people. Extreme weather events could become more frequent and more destructive. We are at a critical juncture in our planet's history, and the choices we make today will determine the world we leave for our children and grandchildren. The fight against climate change is a fight for justice, for equity, and for the sustainable future of our planet. It's a fight that transcends borders, cultures, and generations. It's a fight that requires courage, compassion, and conviction. We are the custodians of this beautiful planet, and it is our responsibility to protect it. It is our duty to ensure that future generations can enjoy the splendor of the earth as we have. Let us remember that our actions today will echo in the annals of history. Let us rise to the challenge and make a difference. Let us fight for a future where we can live in harmony with nature, where we can thrive, and where we can prosper. The fight against climate change is the fight for our future.